Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to implement slide toggle effect in jQuery. To do that, here I will include one HTML page. Here within title tag I will mention slide toggle effect. So again within this head tag I need to include jQuery library. For that purpose I will mention here script tag, and inside opening of script tag I will mention source attribute. In this source attribute I will set the path of jQuery library which is required to execute slide toggle effect, and that path is https://ajax dot googleapis.com slash ajax slash libs slash jQuery slash version is 1.11.2 slash jQuery dot min dot js. So I will take the help of this jQuery library for the execution of slide toggle effect in my HTML web page. Then later on in body tag I will include two division tag. In first division tag I will set ID selector as a flip, and in second division tag I will set ID selector as panel. Here in between first div tag I will mention text list of subjects, and in second division tag to show the list of subjects I will take the help of paragraph tag. In first paragraph tag I will mention first subject name, that is CPP. Then in second paragraph tag I will mention second subject name. In this time I will set text Android. In third paragraph tag I will include third subject computer fundamentals. Now I will apply CSS properties to both div tags. Here I will apply internal CSS property, and for that purpose again within this head tag after script tag I will include style tag. So to apply CSS properties on list of subjects I will include here hash flip. This is the selector ID for first division tag. So initially I will set padding property, that is 5px. Then I will mention text align property center to display the text in a center position of that particular div tag. Then I will set background color property. Here I will set aqua color, and finally I will set border property. I will set here solid border, 4px size and purple color for the border. To see the output, I will refresh this web page. So this is the output. Then I will apply CSS property to the panel ID selector. For that purpose, here I will mention hash panel padding property is 50px. Initially I don't want to display any text on this panel, so I will apply display property none. Then I will apply text align property, that is center, and finally I will set border property, that is solid 1px, and again I will set purple color. Now if I run this web page, I will just refresh the web page. So initially only list of subjects text will appear over here and next panel will not appear. Now I will apply slide toggle effect using jQuery, so that what will happen when I will click on this list of subjects, I will get one panel below this list of subjects and I can see different subjects list. So to perform such operation, again after style tag I will include script tag and I will write the code for jQuery in between this script tag. So initially I will call jQuery factory function, that is dollar open parenthesis close parenthesis. Within double quote I will set document as argument to this factory function. Then using dot operator I will call ready event. In this ready event I will pass one argument, function open parenthesis close parenthesis open curly brace and close curly brace. Since I want to click on list of subjects at the beginning, here I will apply click event on this flip ID selector. For that purpose, here I will call another factory function, that is dollar open parenthesis close parenthesis, and within double quote I will mention hash flip as an argument to this factory function. Using dot operator I will call click event. So after clicking on list of subjects, I want to apply slide toggle effect on this second panel. To do that, within this click event I will pass one argument, that is function open parenthesis close parenthesis open curly brace close curly brace. Here third time I will call factory function, that is dollar open parenthesis close parenthesis, again within double quote I will set hash panel. Then using dot operator I will call slide toggle effect. In this slide toggle effect you need to mention a particular time. So I will within double quote I will set slow as an argument to this slide toggle effect. Now I will refresh the web browser. So to see the output I will just click on list of subjects. So here you can see that list of subjects has appeared. So to disappear this list of subjects, again I will click on list of subjects. To make the panel more attractive, in panel ID selector I will apply background color property and I will set orange color as a background color. I will refresh the web page. Now I will click on list of subject text. So here you can see that after clicking on list of subjects, the particular subject name has appeared in the panel, and if I want to disappear this panel again, then for that purpose I will click on list of subjects. When I will click on list of subjects again, that panel will be disappeared. To show that panel again I will click on list of subjects. So n number of times I can execute slide toggle effect. I can click on list of subjects, panel will be appeared. Again I will click on list of subjects, panel will be disappeared. So in this way you can execute jQuery slide toggle effects. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you really like this video, then like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone.